Shailesh Gaon, social worker from Old Goa. First of all, I thank you all press friends and my brothers sisters for attending this conference. कॉन्फरन्सचो प्रपोज म्हटल्यार तुम्ही जाणा आसतले फाटल्या दिसाच्यान म्हणजे फाटले 3-4 महिने जाले व्हडले हेजिटेशन चालू आसा ओल्ड गोवान विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन हॅज बीन अपकम इन हेरिटेज सायट. तर तेन्ना प्रोटेस्ट करपाक आयज म्हज्या वांगडा आसा गोल्डा आल्मेडा. प्रोटेस्ट करपाक डे 1च्यान आयज सुद्धा म्हणजे कालचो दीस सुद्धा प्रोटेस्टाक ते आशिल्ले. आणि काल एक असो इन्सिडेंट घडलो जो खऱ्यांनीच आम्ही कबूल करूंक शकना. माणुसकीच्या दृष्टीन आम्ही ताका एक्सेप्ट करूंक शकना. सो ह्या इन्सिडेंट्साक ओपन करपाक आणि वॉट द रियल फॅक्ट्स आर गोईंग ऑन देअर ऑन डायस हे क्लियर करच्या खातीर आयज आम्ही सगळे जाण तुमच्या मुखार आयिल्ले आसा. सो हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता गोल्डा आल्मेडाक बिकॉज वॉट एव्हर इन्सिडेंट हॅपन्ड तेज्या वांगडा जाल्लो ताणे ब्रीफ करचे तुमकां आणि जी खबर आसा ही सगळ्या गोंयकारांपर्यंत पावची.
हांव गोल्डा आल्मेडा आसोलनाचे सेव्ह ओल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटीचे व्हायस प्रेसिडेंट आणि हांव म्हाजे ओन हांव हेजेर हिंगा आयला म्हाका कोणें हाडूंक ना आणि हांव कितें स्वता आहा तें चलोवपाक येयलां. कित्याक डे 1 सावन सत्याग्रहा हांव एटेंड जालां आणि टील 89th डे हांव आसलोलें थिंगा आणि हांवें थिंगा खूब त्रास काडल्यात आणि काही गोंयचे पासत काढल्या म्हणून ते त्रास काढले हांवें ते जे कमेंट्स कंप्लेन सांगना पूण खूब जाला थिंगा इतले दीस. पयले 26 days हांवें कंप्लीट केला उठना आसतना थिंगाचे आणि मागीर सेंट कॅजिटन सायटीचे गेला तेन्ना मातशें हांव एक दीस मोदे ब्रेक घेवन घर वयतालें. मातशें एक दीस घेवन घर वयतालें आणि हांव घरच्यान येतालें आनी केन्नाय एक दीस लेट जालें जाल्यार हांव कॅजिटन तेंगे रेजिडन्सान रावतालें आनी हे भाशेन तो चालू आसलेलो. मागीर संडे त्यांचे आता ह्या संडे 20th मिटींग आसलोली सेव्ह ओल्ड गोवा कमिटीची. 10 वरांचेर थारायल्ली तेमी मिटींग आणि ती मिटींगेक हांव हाजीर आसले पूण ती मिटींग 10 जावंक ना. ती सुमार 11:30 जाली कित्याक थोडे मेंबर्स लेट येयले देखून. मागीर ते मिनिट्स चालू आसतना स्टार्टींग विथ प्रेयर आमची प्रेसिडेंट फातिमा पेरेरा तेणे इतलें म्हणलां विल स्टार्ट विथ द प्रेयर केलें आनी मागीर मिनिट्स वाचले सेक्रेटरीन आणि मिनिट्स वाचता सगळे काबाजाबी डिस्कशन करता आसतना पॉइंट्स सगळे पॉइंट जाले आणि मागीर एना ग्रेशियस ते सेक्रेटरी आसलोले ह्या कमिटीक. मागीर तेगेलो पॉइंट येयलो वय तेणे रेजिग्नेशन दिल्लें म्हूण. सो मागीर ते पॉइंट येयले रेजिग्नेशन दिलां आतां कितें करपाचें सेक्रेटरीन म्हणलें. तेन्ना पिटर विएगस तो थिंगा आसलो प्रेसिडेंट आसलो तो कोण ना कमिटी बट तो जायतीं वर्सां व्हॉलंटियर म्हूण आसा थिंगा आमचे बेसिलिकेंत. सो तो मातशें कमिटींग ना म्हळ्यार तो मेन एस्टींग एक्ट करता. सो पिटर म्हणपाक लागलो एन्नाचें रेजिग्नेशन दिलां तें तुमी घेया आनी आसून तेचे ते उडया ते आनी आतां तुमी हें कांय कोनाका तेका उडया आतां भायर रेजिग्नेशन दिलें न्हू म्हणून. मागीर ते सेक्रेटरीन म्हळ्यार पूण तें कितें म्हणून वयतालें पूण तेगे उतर येयलें न्हय भायर. तेन्ना परतून तेणें म्हळें पिटरान आसा तेगे टॉपीक काणाका तेका आतां भायर उडया तसले मनीस नाका जे कोण पॉलिटिक्साचेर जावं पाद्रींचेर एगेन्स्ट उलयता तसो मनीस आमकां नाका. मागीर थिंग कोणें म्हणलें थिंगा कोणें म्हणलें पूण तेच कोण काडपाक जायना ते मेंबर इनासियोन म्हणलें ते मेंबर आसा न्हू कितें कोण काडपाक जाता. तेणें रेजिग्नेशन दिलां एज अ सेक्रेटरी. मागीर तेणें म्हणलां पिटरान ना तें येयल्या थिंग चड दीस जाल नासले जॉयन जावन 1 year जावपाक जाय मेंबर पासून जावपाक. तेन्ना हांवें म्हणलें 1 year ना 3 months मेंबर रेजिस्टर जाता कमिटींग येयले म्हणटरीच. ना पोतूनय तेंच रिपीट करपाक लागलो पिटर काडूंकूच जाय तेका हिंग नाका तसली मनशां नाका ही टॉपीक ते काडाय भायर उडोय तेका अशें म्हणपाक लागलें. मागीर हांवें जाल्यार भायर उडोय जाल्यार आनी तूं रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन सगळे जाणा 1 year 3 months जावपाक जाय. मागीर तुवें तेका येतनाच कित्याक सेक्रेटरी पोस्ट दिलो. हांवें जालें पिटरा कडेन ना आमचे तेन्ना जाय आसलें म्हूण आमी दिलें तेका पोस्ट कोण नासलें न्हू आमी कमिटींग कोण घेयना जालो तेका लागून दिवचें पडलें म्हूण. हांवें मागीर विचारलें तेन्ना तुमकां रुल्स रेग्युलेशन लागना आतां तूं म्हणटा मेंबर पासून नाका म्हूण. मागीर तेणें म्हणलें तूं अशें करून कोण कमिटी उलयता ती कमिटी रावपाक जायना म्हूण. आनी अशें करून स्ट्रेस करून म्हाका एकदम तो हें करपाक लागलो जायतो पिटर. आनी कोण जाप काडना ना म्हूण प्रेसिडेंट आसा सेक्रेटरी आसा आनी हेरूय पसून हांवें कोणें तेका ओग्राव म्हणना म्हूण कोणें क्वेश्चन केलें ना. मागीर अशें करून म्हाका हें करता म्हूण हांव मिटिंगेचें हांव उठूनच भायर गेलें. भायर वयतना पासून म्हाका कोणें कांय विचारलें ना हांव गेलें भायर सरून थिंगसून मागीर हांव सायटीचेर गेलें ही मिटींग थिंग जाल्या सेंट कॅजिटन तेंगे प्रिमायसिसांक आनी मागीर थिंगसून सायटीचेर वचपाक बरें चोडपा जाय मातशें थिंगसून हांव येयलें आनी हांव कोतलाचेर बसलें आनी आमची बोलीन बसताय आनी 3 जाण बायल आहले डायसाचेर आनी एक दादलो आहलो ब्राझिलियो म्हूण आनी सायडीन पिटरा बारा आनी 2-3 जाण येयले ते आहले आनी हांव बसलें आनी हांव रडपा लागलें कोतलाचेर बरें म्हाका रडोंक येयलें थिंगा म्हाका आफ्टर 89 डेज हांव बसलां आनी म्हाका 62 इयर्स ओल्ड हांव आसा आनी हांव आसलनासून येता आनी म्हाका आतां लास्ट मिनीट तुमी असो ट्रिटमेंट दिताय काय हांव चेराचेर बसून हांव रडलें मागीर मुगे तकली मातशी हिंगसान कितें जावपा लागलें म्हाका आनी अर्द्यां पाल्पिटेशन जावपा लागलें हांव वचून डायसाचेर फ्लॅट न्हिदलें जायतकच मागीर तेमी म्हाका चडशी चाव दिली ते बायलांनी आनी मागीर तेमी ते सगळे फॅन म्हजे वाटेन गायले आनी हांव मातशें न्हिदलें मागीर मातशें जाय तकतान ते मिटिंगेसून येयले थिंगा सगळे मिटिंगेसून येयले सगळे म्हण कोणें म्हाका कांय चालना हांव डायसाचेर आहा सगळीं म्हाका इस्कोन येयली आनी सगळीं डायसाचेर वयर येयली आनी सगळे फोटो सेशन फोटो काडया म्हणून लागलें फातिमा बी हांवें सांगलें तुमी आतां हांव बरो ना म्हागे चेस्टान दुखता म्हाका डॉक्टर जाय चेस्टान दुखता हांव स्वेट जाला आनी म्हाका म्हण कितें हांव आतां म्हाका बरो दिसना म्हाका डॉक्टराक वचपा आनी तुमी फोटो काडपा सोदताय काय एशे कोन्न हांवें सांगलें फातिमान तूं कुशीन सर एशें केलें ताका हांवें तूं कुशीन सराक फोटो काडून दिवची ना म्हणलें फोटो काडून दिवपाना पयलीं फादर नोयला आहा पळय आनी तुमी आतां हें म्हाका हेरेसमेंट कित्या लागून करताय तें म्हाका सांगाय तुमी मागीर फोटो काडय ना जाल्यार तुमी कितेंय करा हांव विचारपा ना इतलें म्हणलें आनी तरी पूण कोणालें कांय येना ओके बरें आसाय सगळीं हय आनी म्हाका जाय दीस जाले पयलींच्या पासून हो एंटनी सिल्वा येवन सांगता आमकां सांगता थिंग बसून म्हणजे तुमी आहाय न्हू तुमी बसून रावाय तुमी कांय म्हणनाकाय तुमी जेवण मेळटा तें खायाय तुमी कितें करूं तुमी जाप काडपा जायना आमी एशे कोन्न आमकां हें कोता येन कांय चलोवपा जायना हिंगा फादर नोयला बरो दिसपा ना म्हण तुमी तें उलयलें जाल्यार पयले दिसा तेंची मिटींग जाल्या बिशप हावसान थिंगा फातिमा ना म्हण तेणें मिलाग्रिनान धाडलें एंटनी सिल्वा गेला युगो गेला आनी आम नॉट एवे हू एज वॉज देयर बट दिस आय नो ती मिटींग जाल्यार मागीर दुसरे दिसा ही मिटींग जाल्या न्हू ती मिटींग जाता इवनिंग फादर नोयल थिंग येयला आनी आमी खालो हाय म्हणल्यार भितर डायस येवं ना भायरूच केशें हाय म्हणल्यार गोल्डा हवा येवं म्हणल्यार आनी मागीर तो आनी एंटनी जाय तो उलयले त्या झाडा फाटल्यान मोर देन हाफ एन आवर मागीर फादर नोयल आमकां बाय म्हणल्यार गेलो मागीर एंटनी सिल्वा भितर येयला डायसाचेर बसला आनी तुमी ये बसयले ती काय बायलां म्हाका कितें सांगपा आसा आनी आपण सांगता खंय तुमकां आयकाय खंय आतां ते बिल्डिंगेचे कांय सारकी ना पंचायत मोडटा कितें तें सांगपा जायना आनी म्हूण ना जाल्यार आमगे ते सुप्रीम कोर्टान आसा तें चलतलें आनी हिंग बसपा पडटलें आमी सत्याग्रह बंद करपा न्हय फादर नोयलान सांगला एकल्यान नुगून बसल्यार जाता अशें म्हण तेणें आनी तुमकां जेवण मेळटा कितें मेळटा कंप्लेन जावपा जायना कितें म्हाका हें कर म्हणटाय तें केलें तें मेळना कोणा जाय जाल्यार बसपाचें ना जाल्यार बसपा न्हू आनी हे तें कित्याक लागून म्हणल्यार कित्याक ह्यो पड बायलो आयटे मारले त्यो गरीब बायलो हाडे सांगेच्यो तिन्याच्यो तेंकां सारकें जेवण मेळना म्हूण ती म्हाका कंप्लेन करून सांगताली मातशें तूं सांग न्हू म्हूण हांव सांगतालें म्हूण तें आतां सगळें मुजेर घालपाक सोदताय जेवण म्हाका लागून न्हू ती येन कंप्लेन करताली कालची पोची कोडी दिताय म्हज्या पोटान दुखता आमचें इतलें शीत दिताय तें हांव पावना आनी त्या बॉटल भरून ते दवरताय इन्स्टेड ऑफ मिनरल वॉटर 3 दीस तेमी ते बॉटलान त्या बॉटल भरून दवरले आनी ते ग्लॅन बरो नासलो ग्लॅन पासून तें उदक पिलो नोणा जावन चवथ्या दिसा हांव म्हणलें अजून पासून तें उदक आहा फातिमा सांगता म्हाका तें उदक तुमी तापोवन पिवपाक जायना काय म्हणटा तें हांवें म्हणलें आमी घोरसान उदक तापोवन पिवपा येयलें काय म्हूण तें चेंज करूं ना तें उदक इवनिंग मागीर सिल्वान मागीर थिंग वचोन उदक हाडलां जोजफा सांगून तेगे कुका फादर जाल्यार नाजाल्यार हांव भायर सावन हाडटा म्हणून तें म्हणटा आमी हेरेसमेंट दितले फातिमा बेडशीट आमकां तुवें म्हणटा सकयल घातलें नाल्यार तुमी दुयनासन बसाय आनी तूं कितें हें कोनाकाय तें कोनाकाय अशें करून सारकें हेरेसमेंट आनी हांव उलयत म्हणून हांव नाकटें म्हणटा थिंगा कित्याक ती गरीब ते लोकांक सोदून थिंग दवरूंक सोदताय तेंगे ते सत्याग्रहांत कितले तेम चलोवपा आमचे हे मनशाय तेम ती कुशीन काडपा सोदताय म्हण म्हाका कळ्ळें कित्याक हे उलयत तेजे वयल्यार आनी काय ना सगळें ब्लेम फादर उलयत ते भाशेन हांव करता एशें थिंगा बट वाय यू आर हॅरेसिंग दोज पोर पीपल इफ यू आर कीप देम प्रॉपर सर्वीस आतां डोंट कीप पीपल इफ यू डोंट वॉन्ट आनी आतां यू डोंट रन द प्रोटेस्ट इफ यू कॅनॉट आनी ती म्हाका एकल्या हॅरेसमेंट दिता इतलो थिंगा मागीर हांव थिंग येयलें डायसाचेर येयलें न्हू हें सगळें आतां हांव कितें करतलें कोण ती म्हाका दोतोराकडे वचना स्वेटींग जाता आनी म्हाका पेन जाता चेस्टा हांव सांगलें नाजाल्यार हांव पुलीस स्टेशनार वयता कोण कॅर कोनाय मागीर हांवें येना फोन मारलो तूं येता काय येना आनी तेम 24 डिसेंबर 26 म्हाका 5,000 दिल्ले हाडून एनाकूय दिताले एनान घेवनय आनी एकल्यार दिले आनी एकल्यार दिल्ले तेमी म्हाका मनान दिसलें त्या पयशां लागून ती कडेन म्हाका डॉमिनेट कोताय आसतो म्हण हांवें तेन्ना रडोन म्हणल्यार म्हाका कोणें पण 5,000 दियाय म्हण मागीर तो ब्राझिलियो म्हणटा तेणें म्हाका 5,000 दिले ते वयल्यान तेंगे परतून दिले 5,000 तुमगे 5,000 तुमगे दवरयाय म्हण आनी मागीर येन्ना फोन मारले तूं यो म्हणलें नाजाल्यार म्हणलें हांव म्हणलें हांव नोड हांव कितें कोतो तें म्हाका म्हणलें सारकें स्ट्रेस जालें आनी हांव रडपा लागलें आनी हांवें फोन कट केलो तें भिलें तें मागीर पोतून फोन केलो कितें जालें हांव तुका दोतोरा घरा येता हांवें 3 फावटी तेगे फोन घेयलो ना चवथी फावटी तेणें फोन करतरीच हांवें तेगे फोन घेयना ते मागीर म्हाका घेवन येवन मागीर तें म्हाका घेवन गेलो येना दोतोरागेर आनी तेंगे सगळें म्हणटा हे भाशेन हांव कांय फोटो मारपाक गरज ना आतां 89 डेज हांव बसलां आसोलना सावन येता वयता हांव चुकोन केन्ना 1-2 दीस थिंगा हांव रावतां आनी इतली म्हाका कितें करपाक जालो म्हाका रडपा येयलें 89 days इज नॉट अ जोक एंड आय एम 62 years old travelling all the way from Asola 3 buses then I get down at Gandhi Circle and walking from there to the site with my bag and all no one asked me any time so हांव म्हणटा हे भाशेन हो प्रोटेस्ट चलयता जाल्यार कमिटी म्हणटा आपण कित्याकूय ना फादर नॉयल म्हणटा हे बारी पेटी इश्यूज आपण ना जाल्यार हो प्रोटेस्ट चलयत कोण आनी थिंग दवरले तेंक चोवपाक कोणे आनी मरता जाल्यार कोणाक कितें जाता जाल्यार कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबल त्या प्रोटेस्टान These are petty issues, he's saying, Father Noel. He's saying he's only going to see the legal side of this in the court, financial or whatever he has to help. And who is going to see these issues then? This is calling these petty issues now. What we are sitting there suffering is calling these petty issues.
तुमची कमिटीची मिटिंग जाल्ली ह्या सगळ्या इश्यूज घेवपा खातीर हे सगळे आता तुम्ही जितले सांगले पळय
ही काल मिटिंग जालती पॉइंट्स ते मेन्शन केले ते पॉइंट्स
आता तुम्ही जे म्हटले पळय की थंय कोण बसता कोणा तांचे कोण केअर घेना कोणाक कितें जालें जाल्यार ते हे सगळे कमिटी
मिटिंग जालना पूण आमी आमगे कमिटी मेंबर्स जावं फातिमा कोडे जावं ग्लेन कित्याक ना पूण ग्लेन थिंग सगळो आसा ग्लेना कोडे बी आमी विचारताय सो जेवणाक तेंगे कंप्लेन कोताय उदकाचे जावन ती बेडशीट आमकां रॅश येयली वो कितें जाल्यार तो म्हणटा टेल फादर नॉयल मागीर कोण म्हणटा फादर नॉयला सांगपाक जाय म्हणटा ती कोण एक्शन घेयनाय कोण मागीर आमकां कितें म्हणपाचें फादर नॉयलाक सांगल्यार दीज आर नॉट पेटी इश्यूज दीज आर नॉट माय इश्यूज म्हणटा आतां
पूण हे आता प्रोटेस्ट आहा पळय तो प्रोटेस्ट चलयता कोण सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटी चलयता न्हू
पयलीं ते म्हणले सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटी नांवूंक येनाक म्हणले वेन इट वॉज द फर्स्ट स्टार्टींग
स्टार्टींग जालें
स्टार्टींग ते म्हणल्यार सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा ना फादर नॉयल कोत म्हण
स्टार्टींग प्रोटेस्ट केलो तेन्ना कोणे केलो
सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा नांवान केलो ना तेम सांगलें फादर नॉयलान केलो बट दी सेड नॉट टू टेक आय डोंट नो दे इज मेन्शन्ड सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवाच्या नांवान म्हण नाका पोत जाल्यार
सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवाच्या नांवान नाहलो पळय
ना
सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा केन्ना येयले हितून
सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा आमता हेचोय आतां येना बी
पब्लिसिटी जाता पळय तेन्ना येयले
हे सगळी येवन बसताय तेन्ना सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा येयली आतां इलेक्शन तेंकता कोण
आतां कोण चलयता काय म्हणटा आतां सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा चलयता
आतां घेवन अजून कोणी आमी सांगना कोण चलयता म्हणून आतां म्हणटा फादरा थोडा आयकयला पेटी इश्यू दॅट इज नॉट माय इश्यू आय एम ओनली कन्सर्न वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन द कोर्ट म्हणतो हे दिस पार्ट इज नॉट मायन म्हणतो आतां आनी तो आमकां म्हणा सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवाले पार्ट म्हणा तो
स्टार्ट कोणी केल्ले ते आता
स्टार्ट फादर नॉयलानू केल्लें पूण तो म्हणटा आपण स्टार्ट केलें ना आतां काल तेगे तोंडान आमकां आयकूंक येयला सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा कमिटी आपल्या कडेन येयली आनी आपण तांकां आपल्याक सपोर्ट दिलो म्हूण
ना पूण स्टार्टींग पळय जेन्ना आमी हे करताले आमी कवर करताले पळय तेन्ना मारियान आहलेलो आनी ग्लेन काब्राल मेन आहलेलो
हय ते मेन आहले हय
तो ते मागीर पळयना जाले ते
तेन्ना मारियान आनी ग्लेनू तेन्ना ते सगळे बरें आहलोले पयले मारियान ग्लेन तेन्ना बी आमी तितले एवेर नासले सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा कमिटीज करता म्हण आमी फादर नॉयल करता म्हणा बट सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा कमिटीचें नांवूय घेना म्हणटा तेंगा भितरल्यान सगळे क्लॅश आमी तितली भितर डील करपाक गेलो न्हय
पूण आतां कित्याक लागून हे अशें जाता कशें दिसता तुमकां
पयलीं ते आमी पॉलिटिकल हे आहलोले आमकां दिसता पॉलिटिकल दिसता लागून इलेक्शन्स बी बगले आहाय म्हूण तेका लागून काय ओ बिकॉज द प्रिस्ट वॉजन डोंट वॉन्ट टू शो हीज दीस तेशेंय दिसता सेव्ह वर्ल्ड गोवा कमिटी म्हणटा आमची इश्यू हितून आसा आमगे नांव घेवपाक जायना सुप्रीम कोर्टान आसा
पूण आतां असो जेन्ना तुमचे म्हणजे हे जाता दोन्ही म्हणजे लोक तुमचे आतां हे जावपाक लागला डिवायड जावपाक लागले जाल्यार तुमची जी म्हणजे एक्झॅक्ट जो हे आसा पळय एक्टिविटी जी तुमची थंय चालू आसा म्हणजे इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शना खातीर ती ताजेर इफेक्ट जावचो ना
Absolutely correct. I think Anna is the right person to explain because whatever incident happened with her, people doesn't have that awareness. आणि म्हाका तरी अशें दिसता की हे जे क्वेश्चन्स आसा हे Anna Gracious will be giving you right answer in favor of Goans and in favor of Goa.
हांगा आतां पळय कितें जालां वडिलांन कितें म्हणलां तो तुजो इश्यू येयलो म्हणून तुजो इश्यू जेन्ना मिटिंगेक येयलो पळय तेन्ना ते तुका सपोर्ट करताले तुज्या फेवरान उलयताले म्हण ताका तेणी हें केलें म्हणून तर म्हाका एक सांग तूं आतां हेजेर कितें उलोवंक सोदता कित्याक तुका तूं त्या मिटिंगेक नासलेलो त्या दिसा तुका आपोवंक ना तेणी
No. The thing is that first I was the face of this hunger strike. from day one, there was a call from the priest that they need to start this after the Mahamorcha, to start this Satyagraha. So nobody was willing to say, give their name. So I told that I am ready for it. And I was the first person who gave my name for this Satyagraha. So after that, when we were sitting there, on the first day, that if I am not mistaken, it is on the 24th, that time we were told not to say that it is under the banner of Save Old Goa Action Committee. You have to say that we villagers. Okay, fine. When I joined there, she joined me, and there were volunteers who joined us also and who were sitting there. And here also, if you can see, Marian is over there. He had joined us, and Sailesh Bab also, he had joined us. Samir Volbekar, he joined us. So there were many people who came across and they joined us in this movement. Now the fact, like 7 days, we were entirely in that movement, and on the 4th day, our movement was hijacked by Amit Palekar, who is the said space of the CM now. He thought by sitting there, he will win the whole Goa. Goa is the central, and he will win whole Goa for the CM post. But it didn't happen. People came to know his crooked ideas about it. But now, it didn't end there. The question is, how did he come there? And why did he sit separately? Is my question. And I raised it many a times at the venue. Now, because I was against not only him, I did not target him only. I targeted Michael Lobo because he did not keep his word by bringing his people over there at the protest. I targeted Churchill Alemao because he fought for the little flag in Delhi, and when he's coming to Old Goa for Navinas, he did not come to us, even did not say hi to us. That was paining us a lot. So I targeted him also. It's not that only one individual I had targeted. And then I asked a question to the Herald, because we too were the main over there. So our pictures should have come first, and then Amit Palekar. Why Amit Palekar's picture came first and then we? So what is he proving? That we are AAP candidates? Or we are our supporters of AAP and this movement is only built by AAP? So that was my concern, because we had started as a villager, and I never said that I am doing it. I always, our reporter Manel also is here as a witness. He also can tell you that I always said that I represent my villagers of Chimbel. I never took the credit. But this was a tag given to me by Save Old Goa Committee, and I condemned it because I have never said this. The second part of the story was I was a TMC leader. The tag was there. Now I asked everyone over there on the site, were all political leaders not there on the dais? And who are they to tell me after completing 26 days? Who are they to tell me to get up from there?
तुका कोणे सांगलें?
I came as a villager.
ना, तुका कोणे सांगलें वोट
The
म्हणून?
first, Glenn told me, then the committee told me, and then the priest told me. And now you don't sit there, you sit on the chair. My place is not
कितें
the
दिला
chair.
तुका?
Reason because I was talking against politics. The second reason was because I was saying I. I never said I. I admitted I never said I. And if I said I was the sufferer over there. I did not play an act. I'm a widow. I had 3 children. I left my children. I'm sitting there. I could have really taken up crocodile tears and say, I'm missing my children like Amit Palekar. In spite of this big sacrifice, I was told not to sit there. Is this the justice to a woman? Now you are the persons who will judge whether what they have done is right or wrong.
पण तुमकां दिसता हें तुमी पळय जें हें केलेलें इनिशियली स्टार्ट केलेलें तुमी सगळ्यांनी सेव वर्ल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटीन आपल्याक हें घेतलां म्हणून क्रेडीट घेतलां
I feel so that because I was getting the face and I was used over there by the committee, because I only joined before this Mahamorcha and everything. I only joined 8 days before. And soon they gave me a post only because their secretary was going for a holiday for a wedding. I didn't know the selfish motives of theirs. But I worked hard as a true activists, I went for RTIs, I went to the survey department. Everyone is on record. I brought the survey department people to the site to show them that it is illegal. It was me who went there to the office along with the committee member. It was me who went to the TCP and to say that what you all have done, it was wrong. It was me who has filed letters to the TCP. And after all this, I am come to back zero. For what reason?
Now, what is the future course of action now?
See, I don't want to put blame games on anybody, but as I have given my word on the dice, that I will see that the structure is demolished. And I'm waiting for one report of mine. When I get this report, I will go for an indefinite strike, and I challenge Amit Palekar to sit with me now if he can, till the demolishing. I risk my life for Goa, and I will see that how this AAP is targeted.
मॅडम इतके इश्यू रेज कित्याक करूंक ना तुमी केस ओगी कित्याक
I
भरले
had
केस
to
ऑफ
keep quiet. See, I had to keep quiet because I didn't want to put this movement into a sleep. Because if I had highlighted this issue, this harassment done to me, I would have really destroyed that movement, what is going on still now. But now I have opened because the same thing, the same tactic is used to Golda. And I couldn't bear it because she was in the point of suiciding. I have got her recordings with me, which she said, I'm going to take Retol, I'm going to suicide, I'm going to do anything. I cannot tolerate this. And this is the reason I am here. It's not because I want to sit back there or I want to take this issue further. I'm sitting here as a woman because she has been tortured like me. And I really condemn this act. If this committee cannot know the rules and regulations and they do not know to follow the rules, I think so they should just finish this committee off and take new people who are very what do you call that? They are very curious about these matters of taking this illegal things further. Otherwise, they should be committed to the cause. I feel that they should really, everybody should be changed from the committee, because if the president is dummy over there and the member, an ordinary member gets the guts to insult a woman, then I feel that this committee is completely zero.
ते म्हणल्यार डामी करता म्हणून
Yes.
कोण चलयता ती आता ते प्रेसिडेंट डामी हा जाल्यार कोण चलयता?
See, if the president is dummy, then there must be some godfathers.
You should be
Peter
knowing of
Viegas
it.
from
No,
Sangatar.
there must be some godfathers. I will
He
say.
is main thing he talks. Fatima Pereira doesn't talk anything. She is just remains quiet, and he is the main one who talks everything. Peter Viegas from Sangatar. He's just a member.
See, Hugo also is a treasurer. He also has a right. President has a right. The main right has the secretary has a. Why are they not speaking? Why they are not coming out? That why should Anna be away? Why should Anna not be a member? I have resigned because I knew they were dominating me. I knew this reason. And that is why, because they should not dominate me, I gave my resignation willingly so that I can continue my journey. But they thought that I was very clever for that, and that is why they harassed me in this way. Now to target a candidate or a political leader is my duty as an activist. If they are doing wrong, I have to be open to them. Whether it might be the CM or maybe whoever it is. As an activist, I have to voice up my voice. But it was suppressed. Even the medias over here, they will tell you I was suppressed. I was not allowed to come in front of the camera. Is this the rule? That being in a democratic country, I cannot speak out? Then I feel that democracy doesn't exist.
तुमचे प्रोटेस्ट असलो पळय सत्याग्रह त्याचे मेन लिडर्स जावं सेव्ह ओल्ड गोवा कमिटीचे लिडर्स बीन हे कोण आसा तुमचे लीड करता कोण ते खंय तरी पॉलिटिकली कनेक्टेड आसा आनी हो प्रोटेस्ट प्रेस करपाक सोदता म्हणून
Of course. Because I found that even after we finishing, our timings was from morning 8:30 till 6 o'clock. After we going 5:30. But we was there till 6 o'clock. After we going, I could see so many Congress people coming and sitting on the dais. I have a proof with me.
So this is Congress supported front.
Whether it is Congress, I've got even other parties who have come there and sat on the dais where they have not done hunger strike. Now, if this hunger strike is of the committee, not a single day the committee is there for a hunger strike. Why we are targeted? Why villagers have to fight for this? If it is Save Old Goa committee, they should sit, not we. But as concerned citizens, we are sitting there, we are just sacrificing all our things at home, our children, our family, our food, everything, and they are taking the name. Let them take the name. I say that, take the name, but do it in a proper way. Don't cheat Mahatma Gandhi's principle. Mahatma Gandhi has given this word satyagraha. Satyagraha means a war without weapon. I feel that Anthony De Silva has misused that the dice over there. This is the lady who is there with me, and there are other Florinda and who's the third lady? Jokina. There is a voicemail with us. I can share it with you all. Can any lady or who is sitting on the dice can give donkeys to anybody from the dice? Is this the principle of satyagraha?
So you mean to say
It is misuse.
You mean to say that Save Old Goa committee is only for namesake and it
Yeah.
is not to save Old Goa?
No. I proudly say that. Because if Save Old Goa was concerned about this, they would have really taken up my pains. That from day one, in the sun, in the rains, we never shifted anywhere. We sat there over there only. And one kind-hearted man, he comes there. I don't want to mention his name because he is now a political leader. He comes and gives us plastic and covers us up.
So you mean to say now that it has taken a political mileage
Of course.
just because of the election?
Of course. And the demolition order also what is given is a political mileage. It's just a eyewash to the people of Goa.
So when you know all these things, you could have spoken that time only, no?
I was suppressed. That is what I'm telling. I was suppressed. You were not there. You
I covered it 28 days.
Yeah, you had taken a statement. So if you remember, and you asked, where is Anna Gracious? Because from day one she was there. You got a statement that she is missing. And Ramesh, he founded me in the medical college where he took a selfie and he showed that I'm not missing, I'm there in Goa.
So it is not a blame game actually.
No,
So you could have
sorry
told
sir, see,
first only, no?
this is the thing.
That
When
it is
you're
taken
telling a
political
woman
mileage
is
given this time.
missing, you have to mind your tongue when you're talking this. When you're talking this, you have to mind your tongue, then you cannot say that a woman is missing without any inquiries. And this blame goes to Anthony De Silva on your video.
Not just because of my video. He might have told in some other way.
No, he
Because I
cannot
was
make
asking the
such a
question.
statement.
पाटील सर आता तुम्ही इथले सगळे तुमचे मिटिंग घेतले आणि हे जाल्ले आसा न्ही
Yeah.
फुडें तुमचे कितें आसतलें म्हणजे एज्युकेशन तुमचे चालूच आसतलें
I will continue. No. I will continue.
let me
आता
answer
पळय
this.
हांगा आयकोंक येयला की तूं सेपरेट एज्युकेशन स्टार्ट करपाचें म्हाका
Of course.
सो देर वील बी अ पॅरलल एज्युकेशन
I
And do you
will
think-
not call it parallel because
It will be
I-
a parallel because there is already one. There will
already
be
one,
another.
but there are no people now there, and Golda will explain who are those people who are there. So I don't call it as a satyagraha now.
There is a
Golda,
specific reason
There is a
why we are
witness
not
over
calling
here,
it satyagraha.
satyagraha.
I want Anna should open that fact also.
So you are now saying that the name doesn't suit the
No.
agitation.
Exactly.
I have many
What I
evidence.
mean to say that, what is a hunger strike? I'm asking you a very simple question. Hunger strike म्हणजे कितें आणि हंगर स्ट्राईक एका खेका म्हणटात जो मनीस कांयच खायनासतना आय एम नॉट स्पीकिंग इफ जर पाणी बी पिला जाल्यार जो मनीस कांयच खायनासतना जर डायसार बसलो आसता तेका हंगर स्ट्राईक म्हणटात आय फील एना इज अ रायट पर्सन टू गिव द example of this where I am not saying that strike is not a hunger strike and they are misusing name of Gandhiji and I am not going to tolerate such kind of things. This is the reason I came in support of them.
But why was the name kept chain hunger strike that time?
Chain hunger strike you should ask to the person or
Who has
people who
kept
had
it.
kept it. It was not ever mentioned anywhere.
But wherever on the board did you notice
तुमकां
any
आतां
chain
सांगलें
hunger
न्ही
strike?
तुमकां आतां कितें सांगलें की कमिटी आसा ती खंयच नाशिल्ली विलेजर्स आसले हे विलेजर्सू सत्याग्रह करता म्हणून काही मेन्शन करूंक ना जालें म्हणजे कितें आसा ते वाऱ्याचेर कितेंय घडटा कोण कितेंय उलयता
Satyagraha, not hunger strike. There is no
Sorry.
doubt.
It's a satyagraha,
Yeah.
but it was a hunger strike. It was a hunger. From day one, we were there hungry. We never went out also, I told you. We were only on plain water. And there are many witnesses who can tell that we were really sitting. I myself, then that uncle, what's his name, Everest, he also, an elderly person, I cannot forget him. He was there. And we did till 26 days we were there firm. After that, what has happened, I don't know.
मॅडम सेकंड मागे तुम्ही कित्याक सांगले की इट इज कॉन्स्टिट्युशन वाईज देन यू टोल्ड इट विल बी पंचायत वाईज
That was all the decision of the
You told-
topmost,
I
not
heard
us. It was not the decision taken by us. We were only dolls sitting there on satyagraha. एक बावली कशी आमकां बसयला थिंगा सत्याग्रहाच्या नावान.
तर तुम्ही म्हणता तुमका यूज करा यूज अँड थ्रो
Of course,
Is it used and
of
thrown?
course, I am used, I am thrown out from satyagraha. I can proudly say, and Manil, you are the witness of it.
ओके नेक्स्ट स्टेप तुमचं कितें आसतलो
Next step, I have already told that once I get one paper of mine, which is remaining, one paper from the panchayat or for other one department that is supposed to come. Once I get that proof, I'm going on a indefinite hunger strike.
Then
Very soon, as soon as I get the
मॅडम
paper.
एनिमन जॉइन युअर हंगर स्ट्राईक दे कॅन ऑल्सो जॉइन की तेजेर कितें हें आसता न्ही की तूं येवप ना तो येवप ना
No, for me, this cause is the main thing. I want the structure to be demolished. If anyone is sincere without taking mileage, they are most welcome. It may be a man, it may be a woman, it may be a child. They are most welcome for this. I am ready to risk my life for Goa.
There are more than 80,000 people who attended every day during the novenas. They आमकां रिपोर्ट्सान कळूंक लागलें.
Yeah.
So how you know who is taking political mileage now?
I've seen there are lots of people who have taken political mileage because in one day after leaving the fast, if you can see thousands of banners from here to Margao, what is this called? If I can see in my own village, just listen to this. If I'm coming from a village of Chimber, where he is the candidate of Chimber, and I am doing the hunger strike for 26 days, not even a single poster is in my village of mine. So why these posters were all around?
Madam, why you did not protested in the beginning itself? They are
I
seeking
told I was
political
suppressed.
mileage out of your.
I was suppressed. I was told not to go in front of the media. My media brothers who are here, they also know it, how the obstructions were
Madam,
kept.
on the 2nd of October,
Yes.
in the Gandhi Jayanti, you were the first person I saw on the camera when I was recording. तू पहिले वयता.
On 2nd.
On 2nd October, the
Yeah.
first day of the protest.
Yeah.
Last calendar.
I was there. It's not that I was not there. I was always there for any cause. Whether it is a rape case or whether it is anything, I was there in Old Goa. We have taken a rally over there because of rape cases going on in Goa. So I was there for everything.
Then again it was about the ASI who was also
Yeah,
transferred.
over there also I was there when I was the one who was shouting slogans. Now if I was not a proper person, why I was made to shout slogans? That means I'm used only for this purpose. Once you use, you throw. I'm not.
तुमचे एक आता लास्ट जो हे आसा पळय म्हणजे उद्देश तुमचो असो आसा की कितें जाल्यार हे इलिगल स्ट्रक्चरा खातीर तुमी एज्युकेशन हे कंटिन्यू
I
दवरितले.
will continue my work. I will do my agitation. Once I get a paper in my hand, I will start my indefinite hunger strike. And I have taken, my children has also given me the permission. They have also said, you carry on your job. We are there with you.
Simultaneous education, parallel education.
I will not say that parallel. I don't call it a satyagraha.
No, will you join this satyagrahis or you will have?
I will have it all of my own. I will have it all of my own. And the people who are wants to join me should, they are most welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.